Hey, what is up, you? Hey, am I holding this thing? Hi, you guys. Today we're gonna be looking for cicadas, and I just noticed I haven't posted it here in a while. I'm just here. I just decided to start making a YouTube video because I haven't posted in a while. Where is it? Oh, just heard a cicada. I don't know if you guys can hear the many cicadas outside. Oh, here's one of my babies. One of my baby bunnies. Have another one in there. But anyways, let's go look for cicadas. Right now I'm just trying to go over the yard. Trying to find cicadas. Oh, I can't find one. But there's many shells. Nadie. Solo estoy allá. Sorry, I got distracted there. But let's go. I was moving back. I dropped it. Just trying to find cicadas. As a matter of fact, here's one. Hello. Let me grab you a focus camera. Focus. Oh! Sorry for that weird scream. I got scared because it went on the camera. Here's a male. You can hear it screaming. But anyways, let's let it go. Fly. But yeah, I'm gonna pause the video right now. I'm gonna try to find another one. Maybe on this wall. As a matter, I think I see one up there. Where is it? I think I see one up there. Yep, you can see it on one of the bricks. You can see it on one of the bricks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it on the camera. I found a dead one. It's not doing anything. I found a dead one. Just fell off my foot. Off my finger. Where's another one? I'm gonna try to find some here. This little dome slash thing. Can't find any. There should be some on the wall, but right now there's not that much. There's not that much, so let's go look for some more. Right now I'm just gonna keep recording. If I see a cicada flying, I'm just gonna record it. Because this thing is over. The cicada boy. I missed it, but it was there. Hopefully I got it. I don't know if I missed it or not, but yeah, that's the end of the video. I didn't find that much cicadas, but I found some. I can hear them every second now. I see them every second. But right now, when I try to start looking for them, I can't find them. But anyways, guys, bye.